Alright, Rory is dead. I have the camera.
Wait, how much time we have left? There's only so many doors.
Oh, I'm done. So you guys die?
Good.
We're wiped out.
They're fucking making a plan. They'll be back soon. I can see him over there.
You're dead.
The headshot or is it full of advertising liver shot? I don't know. You guys suppress the back part of the building outside.
You can use me as cover.
If you want to do a funny dramatic death, if anyone tries to make their way up there, you can let the grenade roll out of your dead corpse hand. I got no problem with that.
You ain't getting me, boy! Woo.
Randy to Norman.
Yeah, you got me and him.
Randy to Norman, Norman to Norman.
What the fuck is happening over here?
Oh, an ammo though.
What are you running, M4?
Yeah.
Here. Norman, it's time to shake things up again. Give them all. Let me know if you can force.
Oh, jeez. Hey, guys! They're getting a respawn. They're gonna be coming in force.
Crap.
Get ready.
Jack, you need more ammo than I got.
Hey, I got a gun for you! I got a gun. Here. Give me a full magazine.
Oh, that's empty.
Hey, bro. You got one mag.
One mag?
Good enough.
I'll take it.
Hey, I got a high cap for you. High cap, high cap, high cap. It's shitty though, so keep lighting it. They're getting ready again. Hi. How you doing? Good. Your turn, come on. Your turn. Your lack of anything. Yeah, I see him, I see him. Oh shit, their whole team is going over there.
That's fun. Good luck.
They're gonna be coming in force.
Yeah, I see it. Holy shit, okay.
Here they come. Oh, no, never mind. I'm crazy. They're almost going to come. I will not hesitate to use. Oh, here they go. How did I not get that guy? I will eat your unhappiness. You are mean.
Yep, I want these guys dead up here.
Are you being a human shield?
I just don't want to get hit in the front.
You can come off the field if you want. There's a safe zone right here.
No, it's all good.
He's being a body. He's being a very good body.
Yeah.
Okay.
More fun this way.
That's how you treat your friends, Jake?
Well, he's dead. He's just meat now.
Nope,
No.
two still.
Wait.
Yeah. I would put your dead rag on for
Yeah, I'm ready. Here they come up in net. Here they come up in net.
I can't see it with your pouch there. I'm hit.
Oh shit! They're right outside. They're right on the other side of the bang.
Big kill.
They're right on the other side of the wall. Stick your guns out the windows. Not today! Not bang!
Joe, I decided.
Not today!
You're invulnerable. I'm invulnerable.
I surrender!
I really want Joey to get up there.
I don't want to die!
Got to. Jim's got yours. I'll trade him back.
10 seconds.
I needed something that actually shot.
10 seconds.
Yeah.
Okay. I just want to make sure.
Roy, this is yours.
Okay, that's fine. I thought it was 30. I was like, shit, he got back fast.
This is yours.
I think Jack got me as
Joe, here's water ball. Ah! Hit the wall, dropped it in front of him, and then hugged them.
nice.
Could anybody dive on that grenade? No. Fuck that.
Ghost wasn't going anywhere.
No, thank you. I appreciate it, man. That's nice.
Anytime. Hey, Rory. You got the little silver dots. Except for that orange one, but whatever.
We lasted a lot longer than I was expecting.
I can point out, I'm not dead, I'm a prisoner. I was outside the building when it blew up.
How'd you go and execute him?
Oh, damn it.
Joe! I'm sorry, Alex. Go execute him.
I need to be executed.
When you lost it, any idea?
Oh, no.
Hey, Randy, did you find any